Hello everyone! We're thrilled to announce the release of CET.SteelConnDesign version 1.10, featuring enhanced support for moment beam splice connections, an open-source plugin system, updated documentation with verification problems, and seamless integration with Tekla to improve the design process. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded and installed the latest version of our software. To save time, we've already set up two beams in Tekla, a W16 by 89 beam B1 and an identical beam B2. Please start our system after launching Tekla to ensure it establishes the correct connection with Tekla. Once the software loads, the version number 1.10 will be displayed. The next step is to scan the Tekla model and select the beam splice configuration. The connection from B2 to B1, named B2_B1, can now be created. In the Design tab, the connection can be designed, and the web plate will appear in Tekla. Changing the moment load to 1200 kipinch and designing again will generate the splice flange plate. The drop-down menu includes several options: beam, opposite beam, web splice, flange splice connection, and opposite flange splice connection. Selecting the flange splice connection allows for modifications, such as changing the bolt diameter to 7/8 inch and the row number to 5. Adjusting the opposite flange plate to match the same bolt row number ensures consistency. After redesigning, the updates will be reflected in Tekla. Additional modifications can be made to the flange plate thickness, such as increasing it to 3/4 of an inch. If needed, changes can be undone to revert to the previous design. Inspecting the connection in Tekla reveals that connection number 77 has been created. In the parts table, the system automatically fills in details such as plate thickness. The top flange bolts and bottom flange bolts tabs display all the necessary bolt information generated by our system, significantly saving the user's time. The summary report is updated to reflect the moment beam splice connection. Generating a detailed report provides a comprehensive breakdown, including detailed calculations for beam, web splice plates, flange splice plates. Next, let's close the Tekla program and explore our new open-source plugin system. We are considering transitioning to an open-source model, and the introduction of plugins is our first step in this direction. A new section, Open Source Plugins, is now available in the user manual. A new Tools tab has been added to our system. Two pre-built plugins, Member Properties and Nominal Hole Diameter, are included. The Member Properties plugin allows users to select different design codes and shapes such as W shape, angle, and HSS sections. Once a section size is chosen, the property table updates automatically. The Nominal Hole Diameter plugin calculates hole dimensions based on bolt diameter and provides drawings for slot holes. All source code is available in our plugin open source repository. The Member Properties plugin serves as an example of how plugins can be created. The design manual includes instructions for setting up the development environment and writing custom plugins. Lastly, this update includes verification problems that can be downloaded from our GitHub repository. Let's download a file and open it using CET.SteelConnDesign. After designing the connection, we can generate a detailed report. The user manual now features a new section on verification problems, allowing you to compare our calculations with AISC Design Examples. All results are clearly listed, with only minimal differences. That covers everything for today. Thank you for watching.